Ladies and gentlemen, and it is time to rant about the most common thing that we talk about, Common Core math. But you say, why Common Core math? It's not really that hard, but think again. Have you seen those problems? When you look at a problem, simple math is 3 minus 2 equals 1, right? See that? See that little linear portion? That's easy, right? But with the other one, it's like 12 minus 10. You have to stack it. You know, you take the 10 pieces with the 10, put them together, take the 2 and the 0, and then the answer should be 2 if you're doing 12 minus 10. But why can't you do 12 minus 10 sideways? And why did they bring this stupid crap into schools anyway? Isn't it don't fix it concept come in? I guarantee you that when they brought the Common Core classes, this came about. Good evening, everyone. And my name is Jason Zimba. Zimba? Who the hell is this guy? I've done a little research and I noticed that our education levels are too bad from Singapore and Korea. Also, I believe that this will help our teachers from our principals and faculty as well as parents. At the same time, I truly believe that this will help us get rid of the child left behind course. I hope that you understand that this is the best commonality that we can think of. Okay, first of all, who the heck is Jason Zimba? I've never heard of this creeping guy. Have you guys heard this guy? It just doesn't make any freaking sense. Like Common Core math, you have all these freaking problems left and right, up and down, and you can't, and it frustrates you so much to the point where you don't know what to do. It's the 5, the 15, and the carry the 2. Fudge! Carry the 12, and the fudge! Alright, you carry the... Son of a... You think you're frustrated? That's how the students feel. How do you think the parents feel? Mom! Oh, crap. Stupid Common Core math. And that's just the start of it. Your parents are like that, but your students to teachers are like this. Hey there, man! You need to be doing what you're supposed to be doing! You need to do that dang Common Core math! What are you, some kind of stupid idiot? You better not be doing the math right now! And I mean, should kids really be experiencing something stupid and simple like that? That makes no freaking sense to me. But there is one last thing that Zimba did talk about before he decided to leave his nest and add Common Core to about 48 of the states who still use this. It is not my fault that the wealthy people think of this nefarious. Are we still talking about chocolate? Anyway, it doesn't matter what his conspiracy thinks. The only thing I think is that Common Core math is retarded. Why the heck would you do something so stupid to confuse people? Nobody likes to be confused at all. That's like saying, hey, I have this PSP, but I have a PS Vita, and I guarantee you can't play it. Yes, I can. Well, that is a different scenario compared to what anything else is, but let's just say that I was doing something a little different. If I went out to you and gave you a car that had a manual shifting gears and you've never even played a drum set, would that help you learn how to play the drum set? Exactly, you're confused right now. That makes no freaking sense. How do you think the Common Core classes feel to me? They don't. They make no freaking sense whatsoever. I think they should just take the Common Core classes back out and put back the original math that we did before. Why take anything that's not broke? And why not take anything to fix it? Just do something right for a change. I'm telling you right now, my head hurts right now just thinking about this. This is retarded. And I know I shouldn't use the word retarded because that is a very sensitive word. So I'm going to say this is very frustrating and idiotic. So let's see if we have any other people that would like to say what they have to say. I honestly think this is the best thing since sliced bread. And sliced bread wasn't even that good. That made no sense whatsoever, and I have no idea what he was talking about. I think it was the best thing everything invented. Kids need to be challenged. They need to do what they need to do to stay in school, especially for the faculty. And there you have it, both sides of the coin. You have an uppity guy who doesn't really give a crap as long as he gets paid, and then a loudmouth biggity iggity who doesn't even understand what's going on. So anyway, that's my rant for this evening. I don't understand this Common Core math. I'm so glad I'm not at school anymore. I honestly do feel sorry for the young little children that still have to do this, and even worse for the parents who have to deal with it. So parents, don't fret. Teach your kids the way, and if the teachers say that you're wrong, tell them to shut up. Those are your kids, and you raise them the way you want, especially with education. Make sure they get the best, though. And this is me. That is my rant for this evening. If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to talk about, leave in the comment below, and I am ranting out.